Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show what does IB mean on TikTok. So, let's get started. The composition IB on TikTok typically stands for inspired by. This is used to give credit to another creator for starting a trend, or for inspiring the person using the acronym to make a similar video of their own. For example, if you see a video with the caption IB at username, that means that the video was inspired by the creator with the username at username. If you're making a video that is inspired by another creator, be sure to tag them in the caption and use the composition IB. This will help to ensure that they get credit for their work. You can also use IB in the comments of other videos to give credit to the creator. This is a great way to show your support for their work and to connect with other creators in the community. That's it. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Your comments and feedback are incredibly important to us, so please feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching.